Implement and support patch and vulnerability management. Patch is any update in software vendor to fix security issues or other non-security related bugs. Patch management is the process for identifying, acquiring, installing, and verifying patches for products and systems. The patch management life cycle steps are: patch prioritization and scheduling, patch testing, patch installation and patch assessment and audit. Determine the priority of the patches and schedule the patches for deployment. Test the patches prior to deployment to ensure that they work properly and do not cause system or security issues. Install the patches in the live environment. After patches are deployed, ensure that the patches work properly. Vulnerability is a weakness which can be exploited by an attack to gain unauthorized access to system. Vulnerability management identifies, classifies, remediates, and mitigates vulnerabilities in systems and applications. Day 0 is the day when a new vulnerability is discovered by a software vendor. From that moment, of 0-day detection, the clock is ticking for the software vendor to produce a patch as quickly as possible. 0-day vulnerability is a software security flaw that is known to the software vendor but doesn't have a patch in place to fix the flaw. It has the potential to be exploited by cybercriminals. 0-day exploit is a cyber attack that occurs on the same day a weakness is discovered in software. At that point, it's exploited before a fix becomes available from its creator.